Wooden shoe shelves have emerged as a timeless and durable solution in modern home decor, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. As our living spaces evolve, so too do our needs for organization and style, and wooden shoe shelves offer a unique opportunity to address both. The contemporary look of these shelves not only enhances the visual appeal of entryways and mudrooms, but also reflects a commitment to quality and craftsmanship that resonates with today's design sensibilities. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you a collection of wooden shoe shelves design ideas as a timeless and durable solution in modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of wooden shoe shelves is their inherent durability. Wood is a natural material that, when properly cared for, can withstand the rigors of daily use for decades. Unlike synthetic materials, which may wear down or lose their structural integrity over time, high-quality wood retains its strength and beauty. This longevity makes wooden shoe shelves an investment in both practicality and style. Homeowners appreciate knowing that their furniture will not only serve a purpose, but will also maintain its aesthetic appeal through years of use. The contemporary look of wooden shoe shelves is characterized by clean lines, minimalist designs, and an emphasis on natural beauty. Modern design often favors simplicity, and wooden shelves fit this ethos perfectly. The warm tones of wood can vary widely, from light, airy beech and maple to rich, dark walnut and mahogany, allowing for a diverse range of styles that can complement any home decor. This versatility enables homeowners to select shelves that resonate with their personal tastes while enhancing the overall ambience of their space. In contemporary interiors, the emphasis on open spaces and functional layouts has led to a demand for multi-purpose furniture. Wooden shoe shelves often serve not only as a place to store footwear but also as a stylish display area for decorative items. A beautifully crafted wooden shelf can become a focal point in an entryway, showcasing not just shoes but also plants, books, or art pieces. This dual functionality allows homeowners to maximize their space while also expressing their individuality through thoughtful decor choices. Another appealing aspect of wooden shoe shelves is their ability to harmonize with various design styles. Whether a home leans towards rustic charm, sleek modernism, or eclectic bohemian, wooden shelves can adapt accordingly. In a rustic setting, reclaimed wood shelves can add warmth and character, while in a modern space, a more polished finish can offer a sophisticated touch. This adaptability makes wooden shoe shelves a staple in contemporary home decor, capable of enhancing any design narrative. In addition to their aesthetic benefits, wooden shoe shelves contribute to a more organized living environment. With the increasing emphasis on decluttering and minimalism in home design, the need for effective storage solutions has never been more critical. Wooden shoe shelves provide a designated space for footwear, helping to keep entryways tidy and welcoming. This organization not only enhances the visual appeal of a space, but also promotes a more efficient daily routine. When shoes have a specific place, it becomes easier to maintain order, reducing stress, and creating a more pleasant living environment. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden shoe shelves further elevates their status in modern home decor. Artisans who specialize in woodworking often pay meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that each piece is not only functional but also a work of art in its own right. This commitment to quality craftsmanship is evident in the joints, finishes, and overall design of the shelves. Homeowners who choose wooden furniture often appreciate the stories behind the pieces, valuing the skill and effort that goes into their creation. This connection to craftsmanship can deepen the emotional resonance of a home, as each piece becomes a part of the family's narrative. Moreover, wooden shoe shelves can easily incorporate innovative design elements that enhance their functionality. Features such as adjustable shelving, integrated seating, or built-in storage drawers can turn a simple shoe shelf into a comprehensive organization system. These thoughtful design choices not only add practicality, but also reflect the modern homeowner's desire for flexibility and efficiency. The integration of such features demonstrates how wooden shoe shelves can evolve to meet contemporary needs, further solidifying their place in modern decor. Sustainability is another crucial aspect of wooden shoe shelves that appeals to today's environmentally conscious consumers. As more people strive to make eco-friendly choices, the demand for sustainably sourced wood has increased. Many artisans and manufacturers are now prioritizing sustainable practices, ensuring that their wood comes from responsibly managed forests. This commitment to sustainability resonates with homeowners who wish to create a positive impact on the environment, making wooden shoe shelves not only a beautiful addition to their homes, but also a responsible choice. The emotional connection people have with wooden furniture plays a significant role in its enduring popularity. Wood is a natural material that evokes warmth and comfort, qualities that are essential in creating a welcoming home. The tactile experience of wood, its unique grain patterns, and its ability to age gracefully contribute to a sense of belonging and nostalgia. Homeowners often find that wooden shoe shelves become more than just functional items. They're part of the fabric of their daily lives, holding memories of family gatherings, shared moments, and personal stories. As we look to the future of home decor, the trend toward personalization continues to rise. Wooden shoe shelves offer an excellent canvas for customization, allowing individuals to modify designs, finishes, and configurations to suit their unique preferences. Whether homeowners choose to stain their shelves in a specific hue, add decorative elements, or incorporate innovative storage solutions, the possibilities are nearly endless. This level of personalization speaks to the contemporary desire for individuality in home decor, where each piece reflects the homeowner's style and values. In conclusion, the timeless nature and durability of wooden shoe shelves make them an indispensable element of modern home decor. Their contemporary looks, characterized by clean lines and natural beauty, enable them to blend seamlessly into a variety of design styles. As multifunctional pieces, they not only offer practical storage solutions, but also enhance the visual appeal of living spaces. The craftsmanship involved in creating these shelves adds depth and meaning, allowing homeowners to connect with their furniture on a personal level. Furthermore, the sustainability of wooden materials aligns with the growing trend towards eco-conscious living, making wooden shoe shelves a responsible choice for modern consumers. As we continue to navigate the evolving landscape of home decor, wooden shoe shelves stand out as a testament to the enduring appeal of natural materials and the importance of thoughtful design. Ultimately, they serve as a reminder that functionality and beauty can coexist, creating spaces that are not only organized but also filled with warmth and personality. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden shoe shelves design ideas as a timeless and durable solution in modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.